Hello, this is Spidey1958 and welcome to my Let's Play Industrial Automation Season 2, Episode 34, I believe. In this episode, we're going to deal some more with the cart network I set up. I did go ahead and set the cart running just to make sure the new cart works, so we'll show you that. But there are a couple other changes I want to make that system even better. And to do that, one of the things I needed was 8 ender pearls. Well, I did a bunch of hunting and got 6. So I think I'm going to use some of my precious UU matter here to get myself 2 more. Because I believe if we do this, we get ender pearls. Yay! And I probably need to clean up my inventory. So let's go ahead and put our carrots away. And let's put the trees. I did more hunting for or more dimension hopping, trying to find crystals. I have found, I think, pretty much everything but crystals now, but still haven't found crystals. So okay, and put this back. Okay, so the first thing we need to make is a soldering station. How do you spell solder? Well, that's close enough. Which we need 6 iron, a crafting table, and redstone. That's easy enough to do. So 6 iron. A redstone. And 4 wood. Oops. Need to wait for the other 3 wood. Okay. A soldering table. Now, do we have any blanks left? Or do I need to make one? Nope, we got a blank left. Okay, we need one of those. We need half our ender pearls. We need an iron. And do we have any gold conductive pipe left? Yep, there we go. We'll need one of those. Okay, let's run over to our mass fab building here. Okay, so go ahead and put down our pipe. Pink. And then put down our crafting station. Pink. And we need the iron acts as the solder. Then we need a blank card there. And in the corners, we put ender pearls, and that will give us 2 logistic item cards. So, and for some reason, every time I go and come back, whoops, that screws up. Oh, maybe there is none in there. Oh, there is none in there. So that's not screwing up. I don't have any, probably ran out of cobble. So that's good. Okay. And do we have any Yes, basic logistics, we have plenty of those. And then we need our 2 more of those, or we need all 4 of those. And if we put these here, this here, and this here, we get a logistics inventory system connector pipe, which is really neat, and we'll show you what that does in a minute, in a couple minutes here. Let's see now, what else do I need here? Oh, I'm in the wrong. I need, let's see, I have 3 suppliers. That should be sufficient. Stone transport. And we're going to need one of these because we're going to need another power thing. And do we have any peat-fired engines? Yep, I knew I'd built some. So I'll need at least one of those. Okay, so now power. So to make this, I need a gold gear, iron, 5 iron. Okay, so I'm going to need 9 iron and gold. We should have gold here somewhere, right next to it. We'll need 4 gold. And we'll need 4 sticks. And do I have cobble on me? Yes, I do. Oh, and I need 2 redstone, don't I? Okay. So, first thing we need to do is make the gear, which I need the other 3 sticks for. So gear 1, gear 2, gear 3, and gear 4. Now if I remember right, it's this and this. I don't actually remember. This goes here, and these go here, and we get a logistics power. Yay! And do I still have? No, I don't. So let's order some more sticks. Let's order a stick for now. So that will give us a lever. Okay, so we're going to run over here. And how are we going to put this in? I think I can just put it here, but I'm not sure. We'll see if this works. I'm going to go ahead and put our pipe here. And we're going to wrench it and put in one of our cards. Let's throw this bow away. Why do I have so many bows? Oh, because all that hunting I was doing, I got tons of bows from skeletons I was killing, most of which are damaged. So let's go ahead and get rid of some of these bows for the moment, because I don't need all those bows. Okay, that should take care of that for the moment. And we go ahead and put this here. Boom. Okay, so this end's done. And I do want to build a rail. How do I think it's a, nah, it must be under track. A holding track is what I want to build. So I need advanced rails, one of those and one of those. So let's go ahead, order 5 of those. And then I need one of those. And then I need one of those. And then I need to figure out what I need to do to make these. So I need 3 gold, 3 standard rails, and 3 redstone in a rolling machine. So okay, we'll go over here to Mr. Rolling Machine. And we'll pull out our iron. And put in our 3 gold, our 3 rails, and our 3 that. Click on that. And we get those. Okay. And we now have this. So we put 2 of our stone in here to get a pressure plate. And then I think it's pressure, these on the side, this here, and this here, and we get 8 holding rails. We only need 1, but we can't make just 1. And then we want a button. Button. Oh, button's just 1. I thought it was 2. Oh well. Button. Okay, now I think we have what we need. At least I hope so. Oh, no, I need 1 more basic pipe. Which I'm running out of room. Well, we don't need to take the eggs with us. So let's put that there and get rid of the eggs. And we don't need these for the moment. Okay, so now I need 1 of these. Okay, and I also need peat. 32 peat. And I also need, do I have? Somewhere in here I thought. There we go. I need 32 of you. And did I get 32 of you? There we go. And all 4 of you. I have to make something that makes that. Okay. Now I think we're finally ready to travel to our mining realm. Okay, first thing I'm going to do is right here, break this rail and put down that. And I don't know if this is going to work. We're going to try putting this with a button. We may have to put something else to tell it to go on. Okay. So the next thing we need is to put down our power. We'll put it right here. Whoops. Right there. Then we're going to put down our special pipe here. And we'll put down this pipe here. And then we'll put down a supplier pipe here. And then we're going to go ahead and put our peat-fired engine down here. And then we'll put a lever down. Oh, we'll put on the other side over here. And oops, where's my wrench? Wrench. So we'll click here on this and tell it to keep 32 peat. And then we'll put 1 peat in there and turn this on. And then we'll right click here and put our card in. And if I've done everything correctly, we should see peat running in here from the other one. By using the under chest and these special pipes, we now have connection to our logistics systems from right here. Pretty neat. So the next thing I want to do is get auto supplying to that. So how's the best way to get there? I don't think does normal pipes connect to this? We'll find out, won't we? Nope, they don't. That's what I wanted to see. And then we'll put a supplier pipe right here. Ink. Get out my wrench again. Let's get that out of there. And we're going to tell it, I didn't pick up those, did I? We're going to tell it to keep 64 rails stocked. Looks like I have plenty of rails. Oh, torches. I need to make something that makes torches and something that makes, but I didn't tell it to put those in. So we will have to go get those. Okay. So this now hooks into our entire sorting system. And I can think of at least one more thing I have to do probably to get this to work the way I want. Let's go running over to here. I think. I have an is an extractor module going to be fast enough? Well, how do you, can't you upgrade an extractor? Advanced extractor, extractor Mark II. Don't know what the difference is. I think the advanced is the one where I can tell it what to keep and what not to keep, and this one's just faster. So let's go ahead and make another golden gear. So we need 4 of you, and 4 of you, and 4 of you. Okay. Actually, want to think of it, let's order 32 of you. Eight of you. And glowstone, there we are. 4 of you. Okay. Well, the first thing we're going to do is make a bunch of gears. And we're going to take one of those gears and surround it with cobble. And take one of those gears and surround it with iron. And take one of those gears and surround it with gold. Then put, oh, we need to get one of those extractors. And here. So we take our extractor and our golden gear, and we get an extractor Mark II. And then we need, oops, keep going to the wrong chest, 2 more of you. And let's grab one of those, because I think I'm going to need one of those. Okay, so that should be crafting logistics pipes, so we have 2 of those. And then I need 1 charcoal and 1 stick and 4 smooth stone. Okay, so we'll take this, make 2 of those, surround them with gears, make those, we have our 2 crafting. Let's go ahead and put these together. Is that an ender pearl that just flew into my inventory? That would be neat. So, how am I going to do this? This room's getting crowded. Well, I guess I will build a second level now, won't I? So there we go. Our 2 crafting pipes. And then our 2 auto crafting benches. And this one, we will put a stick and charcoal in. And then this one, we would put for smooth stone in. And then we'll go around here, click import. Go over here, click import. Okay. Then we'll go ahead and run over here and test our new stuff by ordering some stuff. So we'll order 64 view and 64 view, which will probably take a little while, but while we're waiting for that, how are we doing over here? And over here, okay, I'll refill those later. And let's see, I think we can get rid of the supplier pipe for the moment. And we can get rid of him. And we can get rid of those. We need that. Oh, we need one of those. And we may need one of those. Oh, I don't think so. Okay. So we have this, and we have this. So let's run back to our other world. See if our trains come in yet. Okay. Oops, did I just... Nope, nope, I didn't. I did not screw up my train track there. So we're going to go ahead and put our logistic chassis down here. And then we'll right click on it and put our extractor in there. It shouldn't matter where it's pulling from. And then we'll get our pipe. Boom. So we'll move our pipe here. Basically, I'm trying to avoid going directly into, because I want our extractor to go into our system. There we go. So that should automate our train, except for having to add some stuff to here. So we're going to have it keep 64 torches, 64 of that, and 32 of that. And keep those all in here. Okay, so that should be the thing we need for all 4 slots. And that's our unloader. So let's go see if we can find our train. And since next time I want it to go the other direction, what we're going to do here is steal a couple tracks, since I didn't keep any for me, and put this here, and then that, whoops, that there and that there. So it will go there because it's full, then it will go up there, and then next time it will dig that direction. Ooh, goodies in the walls. I will resist the goodies in the walls. Because I must go find our train. Because even though it has a chunk loader, it probably stopped because when I quit my world, which is why I basically set up the boarding rail for it. Okay. It's digging away. How close is it to being full? Oh, pretty close. So I will pause the video here and we'll go see what it does on the surface. Okay, I'm back. And as you can see, the train just refilled and that worked. Though I don't know if that rail is going to reverse direction. I may have to find something else. Nope. It's now unloading. It's refilled itself, so it should be nice and full. Yep. We'll go ahead and steal that coal out of there. And it's got plenty of tracks and plenty of everything else. And this shouldn't be sticking here. It should be going straight into our sorting system, which it is. And there the train goes off. And if we go back to our main world, we should be able to go over here. Oh, I am starving. All that running. There, that's better. And if we look down here, we see the stuff coming in from the other dimension. So I think we'll call the episode at this point. And that. Next episode, I think we'll set the quarry that I tore down out there and put it into our mining system as well. And then we should start really rolling into resources. So until next time, as always, if you enjoyed this episode, give me a like or leave a comment. And if you disliked the episode, go ahead and give me a dislike. That's fine. Just leave me a comment saying what you disliked. Also, if you'd like to see something specific, feel free to leave a comment. Realize I'm usually about a week ahead, so it will probably be a while if I do address your issue in an episode. But I will be glad to take input on what you guys would like to see me do. So until next time, this is Spidey1958, and have fun Minecrafting!